Tonight we're going to show you a brand new product that just hit the market from Mifroma, which is a company based in Switzerland that's very well known for their Swiss cheeses. And they have brought a new raclette that's pre-sliced to America in 3 different flavors. They have a smoked, they have a black truffle, and they have a sort of regular traditional flavor. And so what we have here, this is what it looks like in the package. It comes all ready to go, pre-sliced. And what you do, you open this up and you take a piece of this out and hopefully get yourself a raclette maker, but you put it in the pan and underneath here. So this is a raclette maker, traditional raclette maker from a Swiss Mar, which is a company that imports products from Switzerland. And I have here some sliced steak that I've grilled first and then sliced up and put on top of the grill to stay warm. And the heating element underneath is also at the same time cooking the cheese. And then I have some potatoes here that have been roasted in the oven, and some asparagus ready to go. And the idea is that everyone sort of takes what they want, and then they remove their cheese and bring it over to their plate, and you just push it off onto your dinner. And beautiful, delicious flavor. It could also be used in sandwiches as well, and omelets, anything like that. And that is raclette.